How to fix if not charging in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. First of all, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel, click on power off button icon, click on restart. Again, click on restart, restart your phone. Now go back. After that, enable fast charging. Open settings, scroll down, click on battery, click on charging settings. Here you will see fast charging option, and if you want to enable fast charging, then turn on this button. After turning on this button, fast charging will be enabled from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update. Open settings, scroll down, click on software update, click on download and install. Here you will see update option, and if you want to update software, then click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be update from your phone. Now go back. After that, check charger. Now check charger. After check the charger, charging will be start from your phone. This is how you can fix if not charging in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. I hope you like this video, and thanks for watching this video.